Hello dear viewers, you are on the Home Tips channel, and in this video I'll show you an easy way to clean a glass stovetop. I have dried food leftovers on the stove. If you have more dirt, then first they need to be removed with a special scraper. To clean the stove, we need half a lemon and baking soda. Sprinkle some baking soda on a plate. And dip a lemon in it. The baking soda will stick to the lemon and you'll get something like this. Next, in a circular motion, begin to clean the dirt on the stove. You don't need to press hard on it. Be sure to squeeze the juice from the lemon. When you rub the whole stove with lemon, leave it for 10 minutes. If the cooktop was very dirty, then after processing, cover it with a plastic bag and leave for 1 hour. When the dried and burnt food remains have softened, take the same half of the lemon and clean the stove with it. Next, you need to wipe the surface of the stovetop with a damp, clean cloth. Wipe the hob surface with a dry towel or dry cloth. Here is my amazing result. The stovetop is perfectly clean without scratches and it was washed off very easily. Now you know how to clean a glass cooktop stove with baking soda and lemon. If you like this tip, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have many interesting videos. Thank you all for watching. Bye!